Hello, everybody. Welcome to Ever Nusunso. Today we are going to learn how to count from 1 to 10 in every language. Let's start. 1. Deka, deka. 2. Ever, ever. 3. Eton, eton. 4. En, en. 5. Aton, aton. 6. Adan, adan. 7. Andran, andran. 8. Eni, eni. 9. Asheke, asheke. 10. Ewo, ewo. Let's take it again. Deka, eve, eton, en, aton, adan, andran, eni, sheke or asheke, ewo. Yes, you've done it. Last time we looked at Jilao parents. We continue with some names in the family. Okay. Maternal auntie. The Ewe people say Nodi, Nodi, or Dadia, Dadia. So still maternal auntie, but the elder maternal auntie. That means the auntie is older than your mom. So how do you call her? You call her Nogan or Dagan, Dagan. Okay. So same maternal auntie. Let's take it again. Nodi or Dadia. So in the case where your auntie is older than your mom, then you call her Nagan or Dagan. Okay. So paternal auntie, the Ewe people say Tashi or Tasi or Te. Tasi or Tashi or Te. Okay. So paternal uncle, the Ewe people say Todia, Todia or Togan, Togan. Togan is when your uncle is older than your father. So Togan, Gan is bigger. So Togan is like your father's elder brother. So Togan. Still. Or Atavi. Atavi, the Mina people say Atavi or Atagan. So let's take it again. Paternal uncle is Todia or Atavi in the case where your father is older than your uncle, then you say Todia or Atavi. So when your father is younger than your uncle, then you say Togan or Atagan. Okay, so let's move on to your sister and brothers. So your siblings, you say Novinyewo. Wo is plural. So if you want to say just my brother or sister, then you say novinye. Novinye. So you can use it for female or male. So novinye doesn't have a gender. It doesn't have a gender, so it can be my brother can be novinye, and then my sister can be novinye. So when you add the wo, so it becomes plural, so siblings. So novinyewo or novinyewo, depend. If you are in Togo, you are with the Mina people, then you hear the accent will change slightly, and it will be novinyewo. If you are with the Anglo people, then it becomes novinyewo. Okay, so my sister is novinyenyonu. Nyonu is woman, so novinyenyonu. So my brother is novinyenuchu or novinuchu. Novinyonu. Novinyonu for my sister, novinyonu. Then my brother, novimuchu. Woman is nyonu. And then man is muchu. Let's take it again. So sister is novinyonu. Brother is novimuchu. Woman is nyonu. Man is muchu. Okay. A child is devi. Devi. So a female child is devi nyonuvi. 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 While a boy is nchuvi. So the V is making the man smaller. You understand? So nchu is a man, while a boy is nchuvi. So the girl is the woman is nyonu, while the girl is nyonuvi. Thank you for watching Eve Nusosron or Wegbe Nusosron. See you next time, and don't forget to like my video and subscribe. Miadogo. Bye bye.